What's up, guys? Today we are going to unbox another ring light and a tripod for the ring light. And let me just go and show you all this stuff. So let me put them here. So this is a stand that comes a ring light. You see, this one is a small, very small one. This is for ring lights. Let me show you how to attach it. You just unscrew this place, and boom, you can push it back, and it's a very small one. Now if you gain that stand, you can lock this place. You lock it this way according to your wish. Let's say this is the base that you need. You put it right there. Let me now start. There are two steps whereby you can unlock it to be bigger. I mean, it can be big. That's one step, and there's another one. Okay. Then this one is what? Oh wow. Don't tell me I'm forcing things. Alright. Why is it so small today? Okay. Oh, I get it. Okay. That way, you can put it that way. You see? I get it. I was surprised. Why is it not popping this stuff, this boom? So there's another boom here whereby you can remove. It's very tall. You can't. It's very tall. Let me just show you how tall it is. So you see, this one is about half a meter. This one is an half a meter. That's 1 meter. This is the last part. It's a very tall stuff. Very tall. You see. So let me just, you see, it's a very tall one. Every boom arm has this size. So let me put it smaller so that I can show the ring light itself. It's very easy to use. You just lock with these places. You just screw that stuff that way. Then here comes the boy. Okay, here comes the boy. So it has phone orders. This phone order is whereby you can put your phone. Let's say God blesses you with a phone and you have one, you put it right here. You just squeeze this stuff this way, and your phone will attach itself. So this one is good for you guys who go for TikTok. Let's say, for example, you have one. I put it just right here. And let me put this stuff to be smaller. It's very tall thing. Let me put it small. Okay. Then I come here and put my phone, and I screw. After putting my phone, I screw this way. I screw this knob right here. Then I can now use it with my phone. So it's a good way. This is about how many inches? I think it's 12 inches. I think it's 12. The problem with this one is one. It's a very good one, but the problem is you cannot attach external light because you are feeding it to the DC unless you have a power jug like this one, and you have accessories, so many of them. So it comes with the power adapter. Let me power it and you see how it looks like. So this is the terminal that it comes with for the powering. Let us put it in, and it has a remote. This is the remote that comes with it. So what you need after the power, you will see this blue light. You put it somewhere like this, then you can literally place the remote, and you are good. You see, it's a good thing. You see, it makes me look beautiful when I'm not. Okay. So the funny part of this is, let me show you the funny part of this is one thing. With your remote, you can either use the remote to lower the light this way, or you can also use it for the lower the light is this small button. You lower the light this way, or you use the upper button to increase the light this way. Okay, also you can also use the terminal right here whereby you can add or remove or add or deduct the light. It's very easy. You push the buttons. There's a mode, change of mode in the you can change any mode you want. You see, that's another warm mode. Let's say you can also use a remote to change the mode anyway. See, that's another mode, another mode, another mode. And the more, every mode can be changed to whatever way you need, whatever Kelvin you need. Okay. See, now this is about sunlight. It's a daylight lighting. It's very harsh. So if you have in your phone this one is used mostly for TikTok videos. Let's say I'm making a TikTok video. You see how evenly I'm lit. Let me show you how. You can see how evenly I'm lit. You can see the camera right there. You can see I'm evenly lit. Okay. Let me remove this phone here to interrupt you. You can see I'm evenly lit. You can see that. Very beautiful. And let me add the light. Yeah. And the good thing, you can push it backward or down. Let's say you are filming a product and you need to film it this way. You can just put it where you want with your phone. It's very easy, it's flexible, it's movable, it's portable. These are good things that you need, guys. And after you get it, it's the best time you enjoy your product. I have been using this one for about 6 months or so. Let me switch it off. It's a very good thing to have. If you are doing YouTube videos, you are doing TikTok live, you guys who are doing TikTok live in your homes, it's the best time you get a ring light like this one. It's just remote. You just switch it off or power it on. Very easy. And it has shutter. It comes with a shutter. So that means you can connect your phone. Let me show you the shutter. Here comes the shutter. Let me pair it with my phone. It's an added advantage. Let me show you how to share to connect the shutter with the phone. So let's say this is my phone and this is the shutter. You press on in this button. There's a small button here. You push on this way, the other way, that way, and you see a light. So after seeing the light, you open your phone and go to Bluetooth. Let me go to Bluetooth, and you see it's blinking. This is one of the best things, guys, you need in your life. If you are doing YouTube videos, guys, you need this. Like, you don't have to keep pressing phones for, okay? You do not have to be pressing your phone. Let me show you how it works. Let me pair it right now. Let me pair it. You can see here in my phone, it's this phone is cracked, but it's okay. You can see this AB shutter. You can see AB shutter somewhere. AB shutter, okay? Let us connect to that AB shutter. I press connect, and you can see how it looks. It will do. It's saying me pair. Now I press pair, and you can see the light must change so that. Alright. Now it is paired. Okay. Let me now show you how to use it. Now you can see I am now using my phone to take a picture, and it's cool. You see, it's cool. Boom. Anything can be done. Just, you don't have to be there. You can press the button here just to do whatever you want. It's up to you. So these are one of the cool devices that you need in your live stream. Very important, okay? So, very important things. So that's how you do it. You have a good ring light with a shutter. When you are doing your videos, you don't have to touch the camera or your phone. You just put it like the bad boy. Or you don't want to show people that you are filming. You become ready, then you press underneath, you say boom, it starts recording. It's a cool thing. But not every ring light that comes a shutter. So I'll make a detailed video about the shutter in the next. If you want me to do, I'll make a good video about how to use the shutter for the camera or phone. So this is how you access the battery, and you just switch it off this way. You just press down. It uses a very small lithium battery. I don't know, it's say 32. See 32? I think it's 32. Okay. takes too long. So let me switch off. You can switch off anyway. So that is my ring light. As I told you, if you need these products, email me, patrick@ilsagrouplimited.com. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and also go and check out REACTLORD official channel where I do spirituality. Thank you so much. Be blessed. Make the right choice. For links, use the links in the description for purchases.